Imagine standing on a sheet of ice so thick that it towers higher than 5 Burj Khalifas stacked on top of each other. It's a white, silent desert where the wind screams at -80 degrees. But right beneath your boots, 4 kilometers down, there isn't just rock. There is a lake the size of Lake Ontario that hasn't seen a ray of sunlight in 15 million years. Welcome to Lake Vostok, Earth's final frontier. Now, you're probably thinking, Kale, it's Antarctica. Everything is frozen. How is there a liquid lake under 2 miles of ice?
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Well, science is a bit of a magician. First, we have the blanket effect. The Antarctic ice sheet is a massive insulator. It traps the geothermal heat rising from the Earth's core, preventing it from escaping into the atmosphere. Second, let's talk about pressure. When you have 4,000 meters of ice pressing down, the physics changes. This immense weight creates what we call pressure melting. Essentially, the pressure lowers the melting point of the ice at the base to below 0 degrees Celsius. It's like the Earth is giving the lake a very heavy, very warm hug. But it gets weirder. Lake Vostok is supersaturated with oxygen, about 50 times more than your average freshwater lake. For most creatures, this would be toxic. But for extremophiles, it's a buffet. If life exists here, it has evolved in total darkness, under 350 atmospheres of pressure, in an environment more alien than the surface of Mars. In 2012, Russian scientists finally broke through. They had to be incredibly careful. Imagine trying to sample a pristine ancient ecosystem without accidentally sneezing 21st century bacteria into it. They found traces of DNA that don't match many known species on our tree of life. We are literally looking at a time capsule from the Miocene epoch. Why do we care about a cold, dark puddle in Antarctica? Because Lake Vostok is our practice run for the stars. If we can find life in a subglacial lake on Earth, it increases the odds that life exists under the icy crust of Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's Enceladus. We aren't just exploring our own planet. We are learning how to look for neighbors in the solar system. The ice isn't just a barrier, it's a protector. It keeps the secrets of our planet's past, and perhaps the blueprints for life elsewhere, locked away in the dark. It reminds us that even in the most inhospitable places, the Earth is still hiding surprises. What do you think is swimming in the pitch-black waters of Lake Vostok? Could it be a species we've never imagined, or just a very lonely bacterium? Let me know in the comments below.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.